In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your 1099-G unemployment income in TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to avoid common mistakes. Before we begin, have your Form 1099-G in front of you, whether it's a physical copy or a digital download from your state. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening your current tax return so you can pick up where you left off. Once you're in, head to the income area. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Income and Expenses or Wages and Income. The wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the section that collects all types of income you received during the year. Within that income section, look for an area related to unemployment or Form 1099-G. Sometimes you'll see it listed under Other Common Income. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top and type 1099-G. When TurboTax offers a shortcut, click it to jump straight to the correct entry screen. Choose to start or edit that area so you can add your unemployment information. TurboTax will usually give you two ways to enter your info. If your state agency participates, you may be able to import your data directly, which helps reduce typos and ensures the numbers match your form. If you prefer, or if import isn't available, choose to type it in manually. Either way is fine, just make sure the figures match your 1099-G exactly. When you're entering the details, carefully type the amount listed in box 1 for unemployment compensation. If you had federal tax withheld, enter the amount from box 4. You'll also be asked for the issuer's name and identification number from the form. Take your time here, verify each field, and watch out for extra zeros, missing decimals, or transposed digits. If a box on your form is blank, leave it blank or enter 0 if the program asks for a value. Continue through the on-screen prompts so any other relevant information from your 1099-G is captured correctly. TurboTax will apply the rules for unemployment income and automatically calculate the taxable portion. As you finish, you'll see your refund or balance due update in real time, reflecting the unemployment entry. Review your entries for accuracy before moving on, and save your progress. That's it. Your 1099-G unemployment income is now incorporated into your overall tax return, and TurboTax will handle the calculations for you.